Welcome back to Online Maths Academy. Today we are going to learn solving quadratic equation using formula method. The formula to solve quadratic equation is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of discriminant upon 2a. So let's start with the sum 2x minus 6x plus 3. So first we'll find the value of discriminant. You can either find the value of discriminant separately or solve it directly by substitution method. Here I will solve the discriminant first. So discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. 6 square is 36 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. That gives us 12. So this value will be substituted in the formula. Now let's write the formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus under root of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let's substitute minus 6 plus or minus under root of 12, the value of discriminant, upon 2 into 2. So this will give us minus will become plus 6 plus or minus root. Now this root 12 can be simplified as 4 3s upon 4. So now the 4 will come out of the square. 4 can be taken out of the square root and it will become 2 root 3 upon 4. Let's find the value of root 3 using logbook. So the value of root 3 is 1.732. We are going to have a separate video to learn how to use logbook. Now going ahead with the sum. So after getting the value of root 3 from the logbook, we are going to simplify. So we have 6 plus or minus 2 times root 3 upon 4. I'm going to take 2 common from here just to make the calculation easy. So I'll get 2 into 3 plus or minus 1.732 upon 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are. And now I'll simplify the value of x as x equal to 3 plus 1.732 upon 2 or x equal to 3 minus 1.732 upon 2. So from here we'll get the two different values of x. So let's simplify. 3 plus 1.732 divided by 2 and 3 minus 1.732 divided by 2. So we get x is equal to 4.732 upon 2 or x is equal to 1.268 upon 2. So now let's divide the numbers and we'll get the two values of x. That is x is equal to 2.366 or x is equal to 0.634. So this is the required answer. So here we have to use the logbook whenever we get the roots like root 3, root 2, any irrational number under the root. Use the value given in the logbook. Also the questions can be specified as write the answer specific to 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, or 2 significant figures or 3 significant figures. Check out the next video to learn in detail about 2 significant figures and the 2 decimal places, difference between them. Stay tuned. Follow for more such videos.